Welcome to DBSync Cloud Replication, the fastest way to move data between any two databases automatically. Whether you're replicating from MySQL to Postgres, SQL Server to Snowflake, Oracle to Redshift, or any combination, DBSync gives you one unified platform that handles schema changes, error recovery, and incremental sync, all without writing a single line of code. In the next 5 minutes, we'll show you exactly how it works. Let's start with the reality. If you manage database replication pipelines, whether you're a DBA, a data engineer, or the one person who inherited those cron jobs, you already know. Things break. Constantly. And often at the worst time. Schema drift crashes pipelines silently. Different scripts per table create unique failure points with no unified way to monitor them all. Silent errors at 2 a.m. mean analysts find stale data the next morning. Custom scripts need constant maintenance. Unreliable pipelines erode trust in reports and dashboards. And unmanaged scripts rarely have proper audit trails when GDPR or HIPAA auditors come knocking. DBSync solves this with a single, self-healing replication engine. Auto Schema Sync detects source changes and applies them to the target automatically. Self-healing recovery handles connection errors and drift. No more 2 a.m. pages. No-code setup means point and select. Connect, choose tables, set a schedule. Incremental sync moves only changed records. Flexible scheduling runs as often as every 5 minutes. And bidirectional support enables true two-way data movement. Let's make this concrete. Without DBSync, a DBA adds a new column. The pipeline crashes overnight. Manual investigation, handwritten alter scripts, staging tests, hours of downtime. Analysts find stale data the next morning. With DBSync, the same change is detected on the very next run. Alter table is issued to the target automatically, and replication resumes. No scripts, no alerts, no downtime. That's not theoretical. That's Tuesday night, handled. Before, 6 separate tools, 6 failure points, 6 code bases. After DBSync, 1 profile, all tables, 0 failure scripts, with centralized monitoring and self-healing built in. Under the hood, DBSync runs 5 stages. Extract via JDBC or native drivers. Track changes using incremental timestamps. Schema diff to auto-issue alter table for new columns. Transform for data type mapping and filtering. And load via bulk upsert matched by primary key. 5 steps, under 45 minutes. Connect your source and target databases. Select your tables. Run the initial schema and data load. And schedule incremental sync. No code. No infrastructure to provision. We begin by creating a new profile for SQL Server to MinIO. On the source side, we configure and save SQL Server connection details. Validate the connection to ensure everything is in place. Next, we move to Database tab. Save the connection after entering all the configuration details of MinIO. Further, validate the connection to ensure everything is working correctly. After that, let's navigate to the Objects tab. You can select one or more objects. We can mask any sensitive data fields. Toggle the button, select the masking type, and save the changes. Later, let's click on Run and initiate a clean copy. You can view the sync progress on the Logs page. Let's open the target database to view data. You can now download and view the data synced as CSV files in MinIO. To simulate a real-time change, let's update a record in SQL Server. Back in DBSync, we select the profile and run a source to DB incremental sync, which captures only the changes and reflects them in the target database. You can also view the number of modified records picked up for sync on the log page. Finally, let's take a look at the target database. The updated data is already available in MinIO. You can open the CSV file here to check the changes. And that's how DBSync delivers reliability and speed. The results from DBSync customers are clear. A 70% reduction in manual data entry, a 40% improvement in data accuracy, and teams getting back roughly a quarter of their developer time every year. One customer put it simply, "We stabilized our SaaS app sync, recovered the cost on day one, and redirected our time to higher value work. To see it yourself, visit the DBSync Replication Playground for a live no-download demo, book a walkthrough at mydbsync.com, or explore the full technical docs at docs.mydbsync.com. One pipeline, zero headaches. Your team is sleeping soundly. That's DBSync.